What do you see? It's a zebra. Zebra starts with the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Learn how to write the letter Z with a zebra.
How?
Shall we draw a line trace the zebra's path?
Wow!
Very good! Good job! Shall we check the letters we will learn today by attaching rainbow stickers?
How?
It's the letter Z. Let's write the letter Z. Trace the dotted line. Z. Good job. Shall we practice writing the letter Z?
How?
Let's write slowly. Trace the dotted line. Z. Shall we write the letter Z? Trace the dotted line one more time. Z. Very good. Let's rewrite the letter Z, starting from the dot as we learned. Z. Good job.